Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and fetching the VM image so you avoid delays. Install the hypervisor, import the triage image, and verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Once done, enable nested virtualization and assign at least 2 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM so analysis tools run smoothly. Make sure networking mode is set to host only or NAT depending on isolation needs. This protects your host while allowing sample transfer. Boot the VM and watch the console for initialization messages. You now harden and configure tools inside the triage VM to preserve repeatable results. Update packages, install the forensic suite, and immediately create a clean snapshot so you can revert after each case. Once done, configure shared folders and clipboard carefully. Use a one-way transfer where possible and prefer a controlled network bridge for external lookups. Make sure timestamps and logging are enabled so you can trace actions. Run a quick test extraction to confirm tool behavior and permissions. You execute the triage workflow, mount the sample snapshot, run the automated collection scripts, and monitor resource utilization to avoid timeouts. Once done, export parsed artifacts and reports to a read-only share for analysis review, and save a post-run snapshot labeled with hashes and timestamps. Make sure you document any anomalies and clear volatile state if required. If something goes wrong, revert to the pre-run snapshot and inspect hypervisor and VM logs to identify permission or tool failures before rerunning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.